In this video, we'll see by creating simple CI/CD pipeline. Um, Here I am in pipelines section. I'll go ahead and create pipeline. So here it is asking me to select the source repository from where I want to pick my code. Okay, before that, let us go ahead and create one repository. So we'll import this GitHub code from the GitHub sample Java code, and I'll import it. It will be done soon. Yep. So here we have this repository, and here we have its POM file. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll go to pipelines, and we'll create this pipeline, and we can select the repo, but we'll go with very basic. Here it is asking me to select the source. I'm on, my repo is on the same Azure repos git, and this project, and this is the repository, and this is our branch. We can select, get the code from these different repositories also. Like I could have done it by pulling it from GitHub, but since we have imported it, let's go ahead and do that. So here it is asking us to select like what type of, based on the type of application, we can select how we want these different tasks, but we'll go with empty template. Okay, so this is the pipeline, and its name is this, and this is the agent pool. We'll understand what agent pools and what agent is. So this is agent pool showing as Azure pipelines. That means this is the Microsoft hosted one. So here from the Microsoft hosted pools, we will be getting one agent which will have Ubuntu latest, and this machine will be used to build our code. So the idea is, like, whenever we have code in our local, we have this IDE, right? Eclipse, or like whenever you have .NET, you have Visual Studio, right? And in that we do build. So for building that, we do it in our local machines, right? So for building our code, we need a machine, and we need a machine with all the specifications, right? So those will be taken care by Azure when we like use Azure pipeline, this agent pool. Okay, now this one we have already seen, and this is a agent. This agent will be running on this machine. Now this is the specifications of the agent. This is the agent name, and we'll understand all this when we move forward. I'll add the task, like task is to, when we want to, since we have Maven, since we have Java, we'll take the Maven task to build our code, right? So this is the name, and it is going to take the POM file from our repository, since we have already referred it, right? We'll not go into all these details. We'll like keep it as is, and I'll just simply save it. Alright, now what I'll do is I'll just queue it. So if you see here, it is taking from this repository, and it tried to run, but it looks like it has failed. We'll see what's the error. it says no hosted parallelism has been purchased or granted. To request free parallelism grant, please fill out this form. So currently to run, so when you are running for the first time, it gives this error. Since we are using the Microsoft hosted agent pool, it is asking us to send one request so that it can provide. So here when we were like writing the pipeline, right, writing the pipeline, we have requested for this agent, right? So when we are doing it for the first time, then it is saying to fill out this form. Okay, so I this Omkar, and I will take my email ID, and this is our organization, EasyDU Ops Ninja, right? And yeah, we can build a public project also. We can choose which project you want to have, right? Please provide a list of links to the public repositories you want to build. We can provide the links like whatever repositories we are planning to build. So fill out this form and then we can continue. So I think it will take like 2 to 3 days, I guess. It says 2 to 3 business days to proceed this request. So when you're doing it for the first time, then I highly recommend you to fill that form. So once you fill that form, then this error should not come. Okay, and then we'll proceed further. So thank you for your time. See you in next video.